What if one of the world's most capable fighter jets was also one of the most affordable? Meet the Saab JAS 39 Gripen, Sweden's modern multirole fighter aircraft. Designed during the Cold War, the Gripen was built to be fast, flexible, and easy to maintain. Unlike many advanced fighter jets, it can operate from short highways and remote airstrips. The Gripen combines speed, agility, and advanced electronics in a lightweight design. It is equipped with modern radar systems, electronic warfare technology, and beyond visual range missiles. One of its biggest advantages is its low operating cost compared to many larger fighter aircraft. Today, the Gripen serves in several countries and is respected for its reliability and combat capabilities. Fast, smart, and cost-effective, the Gripen proves that size isn't everything in modern air combat. Would you choose the Gripen? Subscribe for more new videos.